What's up, YouTube? This is TR's restoration, and we're going to be removing an old deck and putting it down with composites. Just want to show you guys what I do. All right, it's going to be awesome. As you can see, we got this black mat that's covering up some of the holes in this wood deck that goes along the entire length of the house. So I'm just going to start kind of doing it section by section at a time. Kind of see right here, we've got some serious wood failures here. And then we got, the fuck is this? This kid doing drugs in my backyard. Kaden! What's up, YouTube? TR's restoration again. Just want to give you an update on where we're at. We've ripped up the entire deck frame, as you can see. It's quite a lot of a mess here. I'm gonna go ahead and rip up all these nails that are in here. I gotta get all them pulled up. So there's a lot of nails. I was gonna go through and use my hammer and rip them all out, but I kind of want to save my back. So got this cool little tool here. I'm just gonna cut them off. This bit and battery is actually compliments of JR's tool rental. I'm not sponsored by them, so no way am I giving them any credit here, but they are a good tool source when you need something in a pinch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this going, and I'll give you an update here in a little bit. Get all that garbage there cleaned out before we lay this back on there, but we're making pretty good progress. What's up, YouTube? Me again. We're gonna have to come up with plan B because I'm burning through these bits really fast. They're not even holding up and just turning to garbage. So I'm gonna bust out the cutoff wheel and go to town. More to come. Peace. What's up, YouTube? TR's restoration back again. We found where this little tool worked great for about 6 nails, and then the bit would get all jacked up and I had to replace it. So in order to not be going through bits like it's Christmas, I'm gonna go with the angle grinder. We're gonna zip these mother truckers off. All right, wish me luck. What's up, y'all? TR's restoration again, YouTube. This is where we're at for the day. So the angle grinder definitely did the trick on getting those nails out of there. Then I went through and cleaned it up. So it's coming along pretty good. I found where I'm gonna have a couple panels to replace over there, all the way around. Those are just rotting out, so I'll have to do some minor repairs there. But overall, looking pretty good. Now I'm just gonna put some plastic tarp down because Oregon, we're about ready to start raining here pretty quick. So I'll try to keep this wood dry as best as I can. It's used to seeing water, but let's put some plastic down and get at it next weekend. What's up, YouTube? TR's restoration here. Just want to show you final project where we're at. We got our plastic down and help protect it during the Oregon rain over the next few days. So we'll leave this down and get back at it next weekend when it's supposed to be sunny out. So until next time, later.